The new coffee machine. Vikram walks into the cafe and sees Lynn standing proudly next to a big coffee machine.
Lynn, what is this?
It's an upgrade. I bought a barely used coffee machine online. The price was great.
Barely used? That sounds unexpected. Are you sure it works?
Of course. I promise it's amazing. We needed a better coffee machine and this one saves money.
I hope this was a good idea.
Lynn plugs in the coffee machine and starts making coffee. For most of the morning, the machine works great. Customers love the coffee.
This coffee does taste smooth. Maybe it really was a good idea.
Told you. I'm good at handling stuff like this.
Suddenly, the coffee machine makes a loud noise and stops working.
What happened?
Maybe it's tired?
Lynn tries to turn it back on. Nothing happens.
Lynn, we need coffee for the customers.
Don't worry, I'll fix it.
Lynn opens the machine and a piece falls out.
Oh no.
Later, they rent a replacement machine.
This rental is costing us so much money.
It's okay. We saved money on the first one.
Lynn, saving money doesn't help if it breaks.
Fine. Next time I'll spend more. Maybe.